I'm going to show you easy way to create flash transition effects, and this is so easy. Let's get into it. So this is my footage, okay, and this is what we're going to do. Okay, so let me just play it from here. So we're going to cut it, okay, and just delete this one, and I'm going to bring this one. Okay, so let's check. Okay, you can see that, and I'm going to zoom here to the side, and I'm going to cut that side too, and I'm going to cut here and delete this one, and then we're going to push this one to the side. Okay, so let's check. 1, 2. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, it's gonna search dip. Okay, so DIP. So DIP, this is what is gonna show. Okay, we're not gonna use this one, we're gonna use this. Okay, so you're gonna choose the first one, the dip to white, and then you're gonna drag it here. Okay, so when you drag it here, you're going to push it to the side, and let's play. Okay, you can see that, and you're going to use to the side too. Okay, and then should just reduce it, and let's see. Can you see? Okay, so this is what she's going to do, and I think I get one sound I need to show it to you to just fix it. Okay, so we're going to use the one click, and I'm going to fix it here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do, and then you're going to choose the same thing to this side. Okay, so let me just make it. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. That's it. So guys, if you like more videos like this, just click here. I'm gonna drop more videos for you all to learn. Okay, if you find this video attractive, more things, just give it a comment and let me know your mind. See you for the next one. Bye.